Here is how to install YouTube as an app on your PC. So let's get started. First, open your browser and just go to YouTube. Once you've reached this page, you have to click on the three dots which are on the top right. Then click on Cast, Save and Share. And you'll find this option, Install YouTube. So click on this and then click on Install. And as you can see, YouTube has been installed. And it's like any other app. The icon has come here. So if I close this app, I can just double click on this and open YouTube. And if you want to pin this to your taskbar, then just open the app and go to your taskbar, right click on the YouTube icon and click on Pin to Taskbar. And if you want to delete this app, click on the three dots which are over here and click on Uninstall YouTube and then it's deleted. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.